Today's video is on how you guys can see your friends' activity on Spotify. So it's pretty simple to see your friends' activity on Spotify. First, you need to turn on your friends' activity section. For that, you can open your Spotify, log into your Spotify account, and then click on your username at the top. Once you click on your username, this setting opens up. Now you want to click on where it says settings. Now, once you're in your setting, you want to go to display setting, and on display setting, you can see what your friends are playing. You can turn it on, and after that your friends activity section will be turned on and you can see what they are playing right now. But remember, first you need to have friends on Spotify as well. So I have my friends over here, and 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫 my friend was active 6 hours ago and was listening to 𝐘𝐨𝐿 the Lumineers. And to be friends on Spotify, basically you want to connect your Spotify account to your Facebook account. After you connect your Facebook account on Spotify, then your friends who use Spotify are going to be displayed over here. And then, yeah, you can see what they're doing. So 𝐘𝐨𝐿 was active 6 hours ago and listening to 𝐘𝐨 by Lumineers. I can click on her profile name and then see like who she follows and other stuff as well, like this. So that's basically it, how you guys can see what they are doing. First turn on the friends activity section and then, make some friends on Spotify. So that's basically how you guys can do it.